We've all seen the videos. A cute parrot mimicking a human voice or dancing to a pop song. We think of them as funny, colorful, living toys. But almost everything you know about them is a lie. First, parrots don't actually have vocal cords. They produce sound using an organ deep in their chest called a syrinx, controlling muscles with the precision of a master surgeon. And when they scream, they aren't just being annoying. In the wild, their flock stretches across miles of dense canopy. A parrot's scream is a survival check, a sonic map asking, "Are you still there?" In a quiet living room, that scream is often a terrifying echo of loneliness. Most people don't know that neurologically, parrots are practically primates. Gram for gram, their brains have as many densely packed neurons as a monkey. They don't just parrot words. They understand abstract concepts like color, shape, and even the concept of zero. They possess the emotional maturity of a human toddler, meaning they experience jealousy, intense anxiety, and profound grief. Because of this massive intelligence, captive parrots hide a dark secret. They are prone to severe mental illness. If left alone for too long without mental stimulation, their minds fracture. They develop severe OCD and depression, self-mutilating by plucking out their own feathers out of sheer psychological distress. They are prisoners of their own brilliant minds. But the biggest shock? Their lifespan. A parrot's metabolism should mean a short life, but their cells possess a bizarre evolutionary resistance to aging. A macaw can easily live 80 years. When you bring a parrot home, you aren't buying a pet. You are adopting a highly intelligent, emotionally complex, perpetual toddler that will likely outlive you, your children, and become a living family heirloom. They aren't just feathers and funny noises. They are untamed geniuses navigating a world built for humans. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and drop a comment below on which untamed bird we should dissect next. See you on the wild side.